Good morning, students. I am Santosh sir. Today, I am going to start the new chapter, that is the cyber safety. So, what is the cyber safety? Let us know about it. Internet safety or online safety or cyber safety or e-safety, these all are the name of the cyber safety, is trying to be safe on the internet, and it is the act of maximizing a user's awareness of a personal safety and security risks to private information and property associated with using the internet and the self protection from computer crime. Next question arises in our mind: how internet is identified our identity. So how we can protect our identity while using internet? We surf the internet for a variety of reasons, from using social media, buying and selling goods, to sending information when we give out private data to businesses and other internet users. We trust them to use that information for legitimate purposes. This is not always the case. Through the financial and personal data can be used for harmful reasons like hacking, stalking, and identity fraud. Identity fraud is when personal details that have been accessed or stolen are used to commit fraudulent acts posing as someone else with stolen identity. Most common solution to this is private browsing or anonymous browsing on the internet. So there are the many ways website track you. Online tracking is essential, collecting data about user and their behavior online. The purpose of it, gaining insight into user, their behavior and preferences for organizations, companies, websites and others. These insights serves as powerful tool for optimizing the user experience for statistical purposes, customization, commerce for and for profiling and targeted marketing. Mostly it is not clear to user when or by whom they are being tracked and for what exact purpose their data is being used. So what to do website used to track you? The first is the IP address. Second, cookies, HTTP refers, super cookies and user agents. So what is the IP address? IP address, it is a unique identified number provided by the web server. An IP address is one of the basic options of identifying you on the internet, and your rough location can be determined from it. We are not talking about the locating you down to street level, but generally your city or areas. As IP addresses can change over time and are often used by the multiple people, tracking a single user through time over them is not the most reliable. But this information can be combined with the information provided by the other tracking method to track your location. One way to hide your IP address is with the help of a VPN, virtual private network software, which hides your IP address and encrypts your internet traffic. Second one is the cookies. Cookies is the shortest memory document which is saved temporarily in your computer. It can contain your log in data or detail that help tailor a website and its tailing specifically to you to improve your browsing experience. The strictly necessary one make your website operate its basic functions so that you can visit it, but they can also identify you and track your browsing activity on a website. The problematic cookies are the third-party cookies or tracking cookies that store your browsing history over a long period of time and across many pages. HTTP refers. Every digital marketer or seller want to know how their audience found them to their website. If they know where you came from, they can engage you better. When you visit a website, the HTTP refer and HTTP header file identifies the address of web page you came from. The referer header passes this information to the web page you are currently on, and this information is usually used to promotional or statistical purpose. If you do not want to this information to be shared, you can turn this off. One way to do it with help of extension you can add to your browser. Now you have to add or remove this extension from your web browser. Super cookies and the user agents. Super cookies is a tracking cookies designed to be permanently stored on a user's computer, while their function is to similar to ordinary cookies. Collecting data about your internet browsing history and habits, they are difficult to detect and remove. Super cookies store cookies data in multiple places, and when a website notices that you have deleted a part of a super cookies, the deleted information is repopulated from other location. And there is no easy way to know a super cookies was added during an internet browsing session, and there is no way to remove it like you would a normal cookies. It cannot delete as a normal cookies. They are allowed third party to track you, and ad blocker cannot block them. The way to protect your privacy is to only use HTTP website or those that use SSL or TLS certificates, or to use a VPN. Only there are some ways through which we can use the safe super cookies. And now at last, user agent. A user agent is a line of text which identifies your browser and operating system to the web server. Every browser has its own unique user agent, and your browser sends its user agent to every website you connect to. The web server uses this information to show different web pages to different browser and operating system. For example, the mobile version of the web page to a mobile browser, the user agent tells us the web server which operating system you use, and it can show you to appropriate content considering that information. They also gather browser market share statistics. User agent is the easiest to fake on the client side, but beware, sending same user agent into all the time still provides a fingerprint of a sort. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.